yes, for me, education is very, very important. And I just tell you reason behind this thing. Um, I have a very strong background, academic background, Shaba, to be very precise. I was the topper of my college, junior college degree, Mumbai University. I've been graduated from Chembur, and I did my masters again, of course, Mumbai University. And at NMIS, again, I managed to secure first position, that is first rank for 4 years. So for me, education is very, very important because if you really need to be master some things, you should know and you should try to educate yourself to be a master of that thing. Coming back to Ishan's thing. So for me, my profile is something like, I have not been a master in specific thing. I have a finance graduate, management postgraduate, diploma in shipping and logistics, landed up as vessel operator, factory, national president of Qatar. So you have to see where you want to be, and you have to go with the flow. And master, yes, is very, very important. So it's not important for you to be always educated by way of some securing a degree or something. You gotta learn too many things from your surroundings. Some the elderly ones, you definitely that from the kids also. Right? So that's all for me.
Like we are learning from Gen Zs, right?
Yeah, exactly. Now in my company, there is a work profile called ops sports. We operators, quite busy with the operations. So we hands-on support from the ops people like fish graduate we are taking from Indian Maritime University, Gujarat Maritime University. Basically, my company is targeting to those college who are mastering into maritime or shipping operations. So these Gen Z people, I sometimes I take 1 hour just to keep the LOI. LOI is basically indemnity you're giving it to your counterparts, just the guarantee stuff for some operations. So I take 1 hour to, do the proofreading, but the support Gen Z people, they are like, okay, no, we have some software. We just, scan through your 2 documents, compare, highlight, okay, where is the discrepancies. So that's how the Gen Z's works.
We always find so we are somewhere in the middle where we have a highly educated master mariners and highly experienced vendors above us, and we are somewhere in the middle, and below us are the Gen Zs coming in, and we're learning from both actually. So it's sort of a sandwich between them and this, because their way of functioning is completely different. The freshers who are coming in right now, and the age-old practices like Baba Azam ke zamane ki practices are still going on in the logistics industry in certain sectors. As you know, that's very unorganized. Certain sectors are very unorganized and not digital friendly as of now, but the coming generation, everything is so digitalized and automatic, and everything is on the phone, so quick and fast. So we just have to learn to balance between both of this is what we are going through right now.